Hi, I'm Sally, your guide to smart hustles and digital success. And today, I want to bust a myth. So many beginners think you need a website before you can start affiliate marketing. The truth? You don't. You can actually begin today with nothing more than your phone and a little creativity. When I first discovered affiliate marketing, I thought I needed a blog, a fancy funnel, even coding skills. But that only slowed me down. What actually worked was choosing one platform I was already using and sharing value there. Let's start with YouTube. You probably think of long videos, but shorts are exploding right now. Film a 20-second tip on your phone, upload it, and add your affiliate link in the description. That tiny clip can keep working for you weeks after you post it. Another powerful place? Pinterest. It's different from other platforms because pins don't disappear. They stay searchable for months, sometimes even years. All you need is a simple Canva graphic, your affiliate link, and a clear title. That's it, and you've built yourself a traffic source that lasts. And of course, Instagram and TikTok. Stories, reels, carousels. These are quick, personal ways to connect. Keep it real, share something helpful, and direct people to the link in your bio. It doesn't need to be perfect. What matters is that it feels honest and human. So no, you don't need a website to start affiliate marketing. What you do need is action. Pick one platform, share one useful tip, add one link. That's it. Every post builds trust. Every click is progress. And if you want a step-by-step guide to building your first affiliate income stream, check out my full ebook. The link is in the description. It gives you templates, examples, and the exact process to follow. And if you just need a little push to get started, I also created a free mini guide called 5 Smart Hustle Secrets. That one's all about the mindset you need to stop overthinking and finally take action. I'm Sally, and I can't wait to see where your hustle takes you. See you next time.